Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show what are the best food recipes WordPress themes that you can have right now for your website. So let's start. The first I prepared for you is a cheer up. You'll have all the links down below in the description. And cheer up, if you would see here, you have plenty of templates and you can click here on food demo. And this is like something that you can actually use and which is really great. So cheer up, food, and you can really use different slider, multiple post styles and everything. And plenty of people are using this theme, the cheer up theme. So this is the first one. Now, the second I prepared for is Tiny Salad, which is also really great. And all of these got good reviews. And this is the Tiny Salad one. Look at this. With recipes and everything. And this is like really pretty too. I mean, this is more prettier than the cheer up in my opinion. That you can use and edit, read more. So this is really great. And you can have like affiliate links down here and all the how it should be done. And the last one I prepared for you is Easy Meals. Easy Meals is also great with good reviews. I mean, there's only one review. Okay, that was the good offer response here. But in my opinion, I would go with the Tiny Salad or Cheer Up. With Easy Meals, it's alright. Organic recipes, cake recipes. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And these are the Food Recipes WordPress theme that you can use. I mean, this Easy Meal is just great. But the Tiny Salad, that's the top notch. The sliding here, then I can click recipes, single recipe right here, features. Feature recipes on the left side. I mean, this looks amazing. And also the cheer up is great too. And you can literally just edit it as much as you want. So thank you very much, guys. Write me down below in the comments which we're gonna choose. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.